Welcome to Defense and Tech World, your trusted source for the most powerful and advanced military technologies from around the globe. In today's video, we're exploring something truly fascinating, the Bayraktar TB2 drone and its presence in Norway's defense system. This is not just another drone story, this is a look at how cutting-edge Turkish engineering is reshaping modern warfare and influencing NATO countries, including Norway. The Bayraktar TB2, developed by the Turkish defense company Baykar Technologies, has become one of the most famous unmanned combat aerial vehicles in the world. You've probably seen it making headlines from Ukraine, Libya, Azerbaijan, and Syria, and now, it's gaining attention in Northern Europe, especially in Norway. So, what makes the Bayraktar TB2 so special that even a technologically advanced country like Norway is taking interest? Let's dive into it. The TB2 is a medium-altitude long-endurance male unmanned aerial vehicle designed primarily for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, but it's also capable of precision strikes. It's a drone that can fly for more than 27 hours continuously, reach altitudes of up to 27,000 feet, and carry smart micro-munitions like the MAM-L and MAMC laser-guided bombs. Despite its lightweight structure and compact size, it packs a serious punch. Now, you might wonder, why would Norway, a country known for its high-tech defense systems, be interested in the TB2? After all, Norway is already part of NATO and has access to some of the most advanced Western drone technologies. The answer lies in cost-effectiveness, reliability, and real-world combat performance. The Bayraktar TB2 has proven itself in real combat environments, something many Western drones have yet to do extensively. In Ukraine, it played a key role in the early stages of the Russia-Ukraine war, taking out armored vehicles, command posts, and air defense systems with remarkable precision. In Azerbaijan, it helped shift the balance of power during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. These are not theoretical results, these are battle-tested outcomes that demonstrate the TB2's effectiveness against both conventional and hybrid threats. For Norway, located strategically in Northern Europe and sharing the Arctic region with Russia, surveillance and deterrence are key defense priorities. The Arctic is becoming a new center of geopolitical competition, not just for military presence but also for natural resources and sea routes. Norway needs drones that can operate efficiently in harsh weather conditions, cover large areas of surveillance, and respond quickly to any potential threat. The Bayraktar TB2 fits that requirement well. It's known for its low operational cost, easy maintenance, and ability to integrate with multiple communication systems. It's also modular, meaning it can be equipped with different sensors or munitions depending on the mission profile, whether that's border surveillance, maritime patrol, or tactical strike. In recent years, Norway has been expanding its drone capabilities under NATO's integrated defense programs. While there's no official confirmation of Norway acquiring the TB2 directly from Turkey, there's increasing collaboration and interest within European defense networks that involve sharing UAV technologies. Norwegian defense analysts have also studied the Bayraktar TB2's combat record to understand how smaller, cost-efficient drones can be used to complement larger Western systems like the MQ-9 Reaper. This shows that the TB2 isn't just influencing direct buyers, it's influencing the entire defense philosophy across NATO and Europe. It represents a shift from the idea that only expensive, complex drones are effective. The TB2 proves that smart design and tactical efficiency can achieve results at a fraction of the cost. Another point worth mentioning is the industrial innovation behind Baykar Technologies. Founded by Selçuk Bayraktar, who is not only an engineer but also the son-in-law of Turkey's president, the company has built a strong reputation for independence from foreign parts and software. This self-reliant production model allows the TB2 to remain affordable and adaptable, a key reason why over 30 countries have either bought or shown interest in it. Now, let's talk about the technical aspects that make this drone stand out. The Bayraktar TB2 uses a Rotax 912 internal combustion engine, giving it an endurance of over a full day in the air. It can travel at speeds up to 220 km per hour, and its operational range exceeds 150 km thanks to its line-of-sight control system. It's also equipped with an electro-optical and infrared camera, laser range finder, and target designator, enabling precise strikes even in low visibility conditions. But perhaps the most impressive feature is its cost-to-performance ratio. Compared to drones like the American Reaper or the Israeli Heron, the TB2 costs significantly less to produce and operate, making it ideal for countries looking to expand their drone fleets without breaking defense budgets. For Norway, which is investing heavily in Arctic defense and intelligence gathering, the Bayraktar TB2 serves as an example of how efficient drone warfare can enhance national security. Even if Norway doesn't directly operate TB2s, its influence is visible in how Nordic defense planners approach UAV strategy, focusing more on swarm tactics, cost control, and autonomous coordination. Imagine a scenario where Norway deploys a network of low-cost, high-endurance drones over the Arctic Ocean to monitor Russian naval activity or track environmental changes. A system inspired by the TB2's proven performance could easily fill that role, operating from remote bases, transmitting live data to command centers, and ensuring round-the-clock surveillance. In addition to military use, drones like the TB2 also inspire civilian applications. In Norway, where the terrain is mountainous and weather conditions can be extreme, UAVs can be used for search and rescue missions, environmental monitoring, and infrastructure inspection. The technology behind the TB2, especially its autonomy and endurance, can be adapted for these peaceful missions as well. Another important dimension is international cooperation. Turkey and Norway are both members of NATO, and this shared platform allows for technological exchange, joint exercises, and strategy development. Drones like the TB2 could play a role in NATO's collective defense, particularly in surveillance operations across the Baltic and Arctic regions. The Bayraktar TB2 symbolizes the democratization of drone warfare, bringing advanced aerial capabilities to nations that previously couldn't afford high-end systems. It's a perfect example of how modern defense isn't just about size or budget, it's about innovation and adaptability. As Norway continues to modernize its armed forces and secure its Arctic frontiers, the influence of drones like the TB2 will only grow stronger. Whether through direct acquisition, technological partnership, or tactical inspiration, the Bayraktar TB2 has already left its mark on the defense strategies of Northern Europe. So, when we talk about the future of drone warfare in the 21st century, we can't ignore what the Bayraktar TB2 has accomplished. It's a symbol of how a single, well-engineered platform can change the dynamics of conflict, reshape alliances, and redefine what it means to be powerful in the sky. That's all for today's deep dive into the Bayraktar TB2 and its strategic connection to Norway. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Defense and Tech World, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos on the latest in military technology and innovation. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of defense is not just about weapons, it's about intelligence, innovation, and adaptability. Stay tuned for more.